Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to mute and unmute participants on Zoom. It's really simple and easy. So while you are in a Zoom meeting, click on participants in your meeting controls. This will extend your window on the right hand side, showing you the complete list of meeting participants. From here, you can simply hover your cursor over the participant you wish to mute and select mute. At the bottom of this window, you will also have the option to mute or unmute all participants at once. You will be asked if you want to allow participants to unmute themselves. This will come down to personal preference. Click on the burger menu next to the mute all option, and from here you have the option to ask all participants to unmute themselves or to enable or disable the option to mute all participants upon entering the meeting. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.